Hang on.
What did you do?
Okay.
Is it recording?
What spoon do we use?
Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? How's it going, here?
Hi. Shout out to Smashville.
And we are going to be doing
The cinnamon challenge.
Great.
Hey, it was your idea, bitch.
I know, right?
Okay.
Oh, we need to get a cup of water. We need to get a cup of water first.
While you do that, I'll make the spoons. It's not coming out, man. Dude!
Oh, you're gonna have like a full thing of it.
I'm trying to, but it's not coming out. When it does come out, it goes all over the table. See? You fucking do it. Well, I feel I miss my mouth when it goes up my nose. Don't get it in the water!
True. I'm sorry.
Isn't it meant to be a teaspoon?
That is a teaspoon.
Come on now. Oh my god.
You read! Half of it's on the bench.
Oh no shit. I don't know how to do this thing.
Gimme. I got an idea, gimme. I got a good idea.
Mum's here.
Oh my god, that is such a good idea.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's enough. That's plenty.
Alright. Y'all ready for this?
But you got less than me.
I'm putting more on. Calm your phone. Alright, that's about the same.
Yeah, that's what's in. Scared.
Alright, ready?
1, 2, 3. Oh, that's nasty! Oh! Oh, gross! Oh, can I get the taste out of my mouth? Oh! Oh, gross, man. Oh, worst idea in the world.
Yuck.
Gross.
Don't try it.
Oh, that's nasty.
Leftovers.
Yeah, the fucking leftovers.